What's happening? For me, we out here, man. For me, real piece shit, man. No, I'm just kidding. So, I'm here with Mariah, Reezy Claus, at Reezy Claus. And we decided to make a video because we invested some of our money, a lot of money, but a little bit at the same time. We invested our money into a dust collector. And I think as nail techs, it's really important to decide, you know, if the things you're spending your money on is actually worth it.
Right.
And, you know, it's easy to buy $5 glitters and, you know, $1 glitters or, you know, whatever the case may be. But at the end of the day, once you spend like $50 or more, I think it's really important to know, like, what you're buying. You know, is it useful? You know, how long will you be using it? Because like a dust collector, say if it lasts a year and I spent $200 on it, if you divide 200 divided by 12, that's not a lot of money, you know. So we're here to show you guys our dust collectors. Sorry for the hyphiness. We're in front of our shop. It gets pretty hyphy inside, but I ordered mine from Young Nails. Mariah. Hi Callie. Mariah, where'd you get yours from?
I got mine at Blue Sky.
Where's that at?
Off of Myrtle Avenue.
In Sacramento, California. It's a fairly new beauty supply store. Still up and coming. I like them. They like me. I like them. We got a relationship. So hers is already out the box. So of course me, I'm extra. I'ma do the real unboxing because I'm a real one. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. It was funny because I still get all my mail shipped to my mom's house. And then she was like, girl, what the hell is in this box? And I was like, a dust collector. She was like, in this big ass box, where's the dust collector gonna sit at? I'm like, on the desk. She like, nah. But I get it. It's important to have air saver in your package, because if I'm spending my money with you and you don't protect my valuable item that I spent my hard-earned money on, it better not be broke. Cause baby, I'm gonna be blowing y'all shit up like 1-800. Y'all is get them. So this, we have twins. They can kiss. We got new dust collectors. Do you want to go first, or do you want to go at the same time? Or oh my god.
Ready?
Okay, ready. And I got OCD. I'm all trying to open it all cute and don't open it ugly.
Like on Christmas.
Yeah, exactly. And then you open the box and it's just a box of coal. Shout out to Young Nails. You know, one thing that I can say is when it comes to products and like supporting companies, Young Nails is one of those companies that I'm gonna spend a pretty penny, because I know that they took the time out to really, you know, get to the bottom of, you know, the science of it. They didn't just say, hey, let's make a dust collector and sell it for $150 to make a profit. They said, hey, let's make a dust collector. At the end of the day, we're gonna make, you know, profit from it, but let's show the people how beautiful.
What do they do on YouTube?
Oh my, right. I can't believe it, you guys. And it has a reusable filter. I love it. Sorry if I'm like sweating. It's like hot as fuck in Sacramento.
My edges is gone.
Girl, thank God you got them. So this is the actual dust collector. Beautiful. There is a light. Boom. It turns blue because I already seen someone who opened their box. The filter is reusable, so I guess we have to clean it, disinfect it, something. We'll find that out later. Do you have this box? Oh, was this in the box?
This is what was in the box.
I'm like, oh my god. A charger, a charger, a charger, a charger. And it's important, guys, too. I got bad OCD. But like when it comes to wrapping your cords and stuff like this, that's why companies, they always wrap right here, because if you wrap right here, this is where you get a shortage. So wherever you're storing your shit at, make sure you don't got this shit all jacked up, because eventually this shit gonna die, motherfucker.
And I have done that before.
You have? I think I did that to my desk lamp. So we have instructions. Please don't judge me. My nails aren't done. I soaked them off yesterday. There's a little bit of ghetto-ness going on.
Please excuse the skirts.
Right. Please excuse the ski skirts. I still have a little bit of acrylic still left on because I'm busy working. You know, when you're busy working, you don't have time to just fucking put your finger up your butt all day. But it says user manual. Number 1, make sure your hands are dry when you plug in the power. Ha! Have you ever got electrocuted?
No.
I have. I was young and my hands was wet and I was putting something in the wall, put it in the wall. Zzz, my hand was stuck like this, like literally. Cause you know how the charger's a block? My hand from the power was, I had to let it like thaw out and then it finally went to normal. But yeah, make sure your hands are dry before you plug it up because you don't want to be like young Icy when she was 9 years old. And then press the power on button to turn it on or off. When the indicator light is flashing, please put down the filter or upper cover again. You know what? Directions, they're really not my kind of thing.
It's pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, but I don't know. When you read it, like I have to do it step by step, you know? Like plug it in, like do what they say. Cause then if I just read it, I'm like the upper level of the upper, yeah, I don't care. But yeah, so that's all that came in the box. Did yours come with anything extra? Did they give you any free coupons or anything?
It came with this little extra piece in the box.
Oh, I got that extra piece too. I think it's a hat, a Young Mills hat. Just kidding. But yeah, so we have our dust collector. We might update you guys, maybe, on how it works. I do want to turn it on though and see how low sound profile, how low of a how low of a sound of a profile, how low of a profile of a sound. Mariah's on live right here. Shout out to Mariah's live. But yeah, you guys, so this is our Young Nails dust collector, and we say sorry to the people who fucking slept on Young Nails in their dust collector, because baby, they're sold out. And guess what? Y'all looking at this video like, I wish I had a dust collector. Nope. Now you gotta go to Amazon and go buy one that breaks in 2 weeks. Be jealous. I'm just kidding.
I actually have that one too.
Does it work good?
I don't know.
See, that's why
You
it's
heard it
important.
here first.
That's why it's important to know what you're buying. And me, before I buy something, I ask somebody else, have you heard of this? Have you seen it? Do you got it? And if, like, look, what if I would have just said, oh, a dust collector on Amazon, it's only 60 bucks. I'm saving 110. But guess what? I'm gonna spend 110 and mine is gonna last, it's gonna work, and it's gonna be beautiful. And not to mention, there were dust collectors, I think they're still in the industry, but there were some, I remember like a few years ago, they came out, them bitches was like $600. These are $170. Get with it or get lost. Period. Feel me? But yeah, that's it, guys. We're gonna go back inside because it's getting real hot and sweaty and naughty outside.